In this question, find the amount and compound interest on 10,000 at 8% per annum, and in 1 year interest being compounded half yearly it is. Interest being compounded half yearly. So in 1 year, how many half years are there? So there are two half years, right? So first half year and second half year. So we can do calculation in this way. For first half year, because total 1 year, in that first half year we need to calculate the interest. Okay, so in this problem, same P is equals to 10,000 and R is equals to 8% per annum, but time is equals to only half year, 1/2 year. Time always should be in years, don't consider into months. 6 months, half year. So 6 months is 1/2 year. We can take this is in the interest. So I is equals to principal rate time by 100. So 10,000 into 8 into 1/2 by 100. Yes, this we can simplify. So 100 into 8. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. 100 into 4 is rupees 400. Yeah, just normal calculation you do. So interest is the 400. Then amount is equals to P plus I. Principal plus interest. Okay, that we can calculate. That is a 10,000 plus 400. So therefore amount is equals to 10,400. That is at the end of the first half year. Okay, amount is at the end of the first half year is this. Now according to the rule, this will become principal for the second half year. Just compounded half yearly. Okay, for the second half year now. For second half year, yes, here is don't get confused. Just P becomes first year amount, that is 10,400. Same rate of interest is 8%, and next time is equals to half year. One more half, right? This half year. Right, you can calculate the interest now. So I is equals to same 10,400 into 8 into 1/2 and divide by 100. We can simplify this to get the interest. If we calculate 104, 2 times 1, 4 0. 104 into 4, 416. 416 is the interest for the second half year. And that amount is equals to same 10,400 plus 416. Okay, second half year principal plus second half year interest. 10,400 plus this is, then total will get 10,816. 10,816 is equals to amount. This is the required amount because only one complete year. So second half year is over. That means 1 year. So required amount is equal to 10,816. Now compound interest. Compound interest is equals to A minus P. But A value is the final amount as we did previous question. 10,816 minus initial principal is 10,000 given starting. So 816 is the compound interest now. Compound interest is 816 and amount is equals to 10,816 we should take. Let us see one more question if the rate of interest is different.